Hi everyone, I'm Shreya Shuster from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to view followers on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app. Go on the top right or bottom right of Facebook depending on where the menu is. Top of the menu you can see your profile. Right under the profile you can see an option to see your profile. Click on that. Then you can view your profile. You can see 3 dots, click on that. Your profile settings will open and then get to activity log. You can also get to your activity log from settings. Go to settings. Go to the search button. Now type activity log in the search bar. Now find connections and tap on it. And you can see many options. Click on followers and then choose people who followed you. It shows the followers with the day that they followed. As I have no followers can be seen on the followers list, and that's how you can view followers on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.